Right, ruined Arosa part 3. Let's finally crack the suspension in. They said off then, I think we've done that. Going to tighten this. This is all ready to go in straight up, and then we're going to drop it down and see what the car actually does sit like, and then we're going to take it for a quick blast up the lane, let it bounce around a bit, and then let it get used to its new nice VW GTI suspension. Let's go. Yep, right, that's done. I'll move on to the top. Try this 23 first, that seems to fit better with this new nut. Got going the right way. One more for good measure. And that is how you put Lupo GTI suspension on a 1 litre MPI Arosa. Here we go, Arosa. Oh, that's as far back as the seat goes. Oh my god. Yeah! Woo! I've left something loose in the boot. I don't know what it is, it's flying about. But we will rectify that. How the hell do you do reverse in this? Oh, it's in first. Is it in first? No. That was in fourth. Jesus, I need to get used to this. I think there is a slight tapping in the boot. I'm not sure if that is something in the boot or not, but I think that is a little bit tapping, but we'll adjust that. Hell yes. Let's take a look at that back. Alright, so I'm actually going to end this video off here. I know it's been a bit of a short one, but I just wanted to sort of split it into two parts, this suspension bit, because it was just taking so long to get it done. But now it's all finally done. Next bit, I've got a couple of rear trim pieces to put back on. Don't know whether I'm going to start thinking about mods. I've got a few ideas of what I'm going to do next, and honestly, I'm not sure which one it's going to be. But you'll find out in sort of the coming weeks what it is obviously going to be when I upload it. There's, like I said, there's a lot to do on this, including potential repairs, like further repairs that it might need upon like closer inspection. I have decided I'm going to take the rear camber off, so that's going to be that probably will be the next one actually, and then all any other further mechanical repairs will be after that. I've noticed the camber is completely off between the left side and the right side. This side has camber that looks like that, and the other side has camber that's sort of only like that, so it's it's pretty off really, and it's not good at all. And I don't like it. It looks silly, and it sort of ruins the look of the suspension. So once again, we've got another job created by fixing something, but that's usually how it goes with project cars. But yeah, here's a little bonus sort of upload with this part 2 of the suspension. If you enjoy it and enjoy the series, leave a like. There's more coming on this real soon, like I said, and I will catch you at some point soon.